frustrated. That's the feeling coming from the families of those killed in the Oxford school shooting after learning they'll have to wait until winter to learn the gunman's fate.
It has been an exhausting few weeks for those hearing and processing a lot of disturbing new information that came to light during the Oxford shooter's Miller hearing.
Well, that hearing finally wrapped up today, but it'll be weeks before a judge makes a decision and months before a sentence is finally handed down.
Tonight, Sean Lay has been talking with parents about the pain that this delay is now causing. Sean?
It's a long process, and I think the parents do understand that. The judge himself said, look, we have so much information that came out in this Miller hearing, 4 days of testimony, including today. He has to look at it all to make really a sound decision about life in prison without parole when you're talking about a minor. Buck Meir, father of Tate Meir, however, said everything's being looked at here, including the video of the shooting, except because of immunity, school officials.
These are kids. These are 4 kids that were murdered, 7 shot, hundreds terrorized. And our government is hiding.
Buck Meir with his wife Sherry, the parents of Oxford High School shooting victim Tate Meir, exhausted after a 4-day hearing known as a Miller hearing. That is a hearing for a juvenile defendant, in this case the 17-year-old shooter, to determine if a minor can be sentenced to life in prison without parole. So many aspects of the shooting were revealed in court. Painful new details. Video of the shooting was played in court. The Meir family agreed not to watch it, but ended up seeing their son's final moments.
Our grievance counselor said, don't watch it, don't watch it, and we didn't listen to him. We watched it. We can't unwatch it now. But we were forced to watch it because we don't have any answers.
The shooter has pled guilty. The shooter's parents are charged with involuntary manslaughter for neglecting their son and giving him the gun. But Oxford school officials are not facing legal action for their actions that failed to prevent the shooting.
I don't understand how we can have a kid that's at the top of the mountain in crisis. Top of the mountain, you can't get any higher. And he's wanting to get busted.
Back here lies still so many questions and very few answers because of that governmental immunity that school officials enjoy in this case. But a lot did come out focused on them, but this focuses on the shooter himself. Now, the judge will rule on this Miller hearing whether or not he gets life in prison without parole or has an ability to get out at some point if he can be reformed. That'll be decided on September 29th, and then sentencing day way out in December. We're live at the Oakland County Courthouse. Sean Lay, Local 4, back to you.
Okay, Sean, thank you.